Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi lessons channel. So as you have seen my last video of number naming, I have said that if people want me to continue doing number naming videos, they should comment. So I got this comment that I should continue. So today we're going to be continuing from 101 up to 120. So without the waste of time, let's get right in our today's video. So the first number we have 101. 101 is called leholo tee. 101 is called leholo tee. 102 is called leholo tee pedi. 102 is called leholo pedi. 103 is called leholo tharo. 103 is called leholo tharo. 104 is called leholo nne. 104 is called leholo nne. 105 is called leholo hlano. 105 is called leholo hlano. 106 is called leholo tshela. 106 is called leholo tshela. 107 is called leholo shupa. 107 is called leholo shupa. 108 is called leholo seswai. 108 is called leholo seswai. 109 is called leholo senyane. 109 is called leholo senyane. 110 is called leholo lesome. 110 is called leholo tee lesome. 110 is called leholo lesome. 111 is called leholo lesome tee. 111 is called leholo lesome tee. 112 is called leholo lesome pedi. 112 is called leholo lesome pedi. 113 is called leholo lesome tharo. 113 is called leholo lesome tharo. 114 is called leholo lesome nne. 114 is called leholo lesome nne. 115 is called leholo lesome hlano. 115 is called leholo lesome hlano. 116 is called leholo lesome tshela. 116 is called leholo lesome tshela. 117 is called leholo lesome shupa. 117 is called leholo lesome shupa. 118 is called leholo lesome seswai. 118 is called leholo lesome seswai. 118 is called 119 is called leholo lesome senyane. 119 is called leholo lesome senyane. 119 is called leholo lesome senyane. 120, our last number. 120 we have leholo masome pedi. 120 is called leholo masome pedi. So that's it for our today's video, and thank you for those people that said I should continue and really support my channel. I thank all of you. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and